Yeah, eBay's pretty cheap. These have parts now. There's a lot of stuff you can get off eBay where you can't even get it nowhere else, like the BCM programming. Bottom ones. Jeez. At least they're all the same plugs. I feel like screws would have been faster though at this point. But you're probably missing half of them, so that kind of speeds it up.
What, plugs?
Yeah.
Unless you go first, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but them cheap ones, they're like one-time use. Because they're not a strong plastic. They're usually sometimes even a different plastic, so they break if you try to take them off again. Like, they'll work, but...
Hell no.
Yeah, you don't want to do that in Milwaukee. I was like, damn, I never felt that before. Just down there. Side off. Pull up. And come through here. Oh. Nice. Okay, good. I thought it fucking broke something there, but it was already there. It didn't break nothing.
Never seen this one.
That's your horn. Definitely don't look bad without a bumper. Some cars don't look good without bumpers.
Is that what don't?
Some cars.
Oh,
Shit. You ain't gotta take the fender out. Send 2 bolts. Yeah, just slide out.
yeah.
Right? It's only 4 bolts anyway.
I bought it from this one. I think it was a flicker. Saves a fucking car. Not a bad track record, but it's fucking flicker.
Alrighty.
Damn. Won't be better than that, right?
Yeah. Fuck them out on there. Oop. Get on there. Alrighty. You got the right one?
I think so. No?
No, sure. You keep that, though.
I thought I still had that in my hand.
So yeah, what's probably happening though with that code is the LED, it's not taking enough voltage, so that's why you're getting a code, because your car's thinking that it doesn't, your headlight's out when it's really working fine. That's why they get that ballast.
Do I just pop the bolts?
Well, no, you just get a box that goes right here that extra wire gets connected to, a few wires, so that the proper voltage gets sent back to the ECU or whatever. Alrighty. Top things. And then, oh, I'm about to say, I'm gonna get the plastic checked underneath. Alright.
Put those rubber caps up already?
Yeah, I did. I'm learning. This time don't look too bad. Good.
I'll quit for a second.
Yeah. Oh, let's see. I gotta take that off. That plastic piece is blocking it right here. Oh yeah. So yeah, you do have to take this one bolt off for the headlight, or it's gonna break. Thank you.
This side's bigger yet.
Oh, that's good. I still gotta put this bolt in right here, so it's pretty.
Oh, it pulls up.
Yeah. Plus, once we put the bumper on it, that's gonna seal it up even more. The main goal is not to have water go behind it. So as long as water can flow down and around it, that's exactly what you want. Yeah. I'll say if you don't want it, I'd gladly take it. Okay. Do you got another bolt?
Huh?
Do you have another bolt?
No.
Or were we just missing one right there?
I don't think we took that one off, did we?
Yeah, I don't remember. Alright. Other headlights on here. Found the bolt. Put the bolt back in. Silicone the corner. There she is. Get my connectors out. Oh, that's an LED bulb. So that's probably why you got codes.
What?
Because this isn't made for an LED bulb. So throwing an LED bulb in a car that's not made, it's a very picky car. It's probably gonna give you code. Another LED bulb. Look at that. Did you put those in?
No.
Oh.
The dude, when I bought it, the dude had them in.
Well, yeah, that's probably why you got codes there for your headlights. You can hand me my Oh, I got it. I don't want you to grab that.
So this a car too that like you change the bulbs, you have to take everything off? It looks like you can reach from under here. Might be a little tricky, man.
What the hell's going on underneath here? There we go. Don't break them damn bulbs. Oh, there's no ballast. Look at that. So we ain't even got a driller put it in. See, I believe with the LEDs, that's what you're supposed to do. You run a ballast in here that runs to this and the other one, and that's what would take their code away. So without running that ballast, you're gonna have them codes. But here now we're just gonna compare these two. All right, so we're gonna need that bracket there. That whole bottom bracket's gotta go in there. And everything else looks good. All looks the same. This is like an adjuster, I believe.
Yeah, everything looks the same, but this guy and that.
Yeah, it looks perfect. Alrighty. Break this up a little bit.
The headlights and the rear cap, that's easy.
Looks like it's missing a little piece there.
Yeah, I noticed that. Whatever.
Still, yeah, still looks pretty damn good. I was just about to say that. But yeah, that's what I noticed before as well.
What, a little piece?
That's why I was like, the fuck? But I wasn't sure.
I mean, you won't really ever notice it.
No. I don't know.
Damn, they look so good.
Oh, yeah. Alright. See, we're supposed to. Come over here. Get this lined up here.
Damn.
Alrighty. Just gotta put the bottom clips in, but looks good. Damn good.
Turn the lights on already.
Oh yeah, we should have been did that before we put it all back together. My hiking's on. Oh yeah. Wait, turn your left blinker on. Or turn your right blinker on. Turn your left blinker on. No, turn the left one on now. Oh, okay. Yeah, for some reason, this one stays lit, and that one's not. Like, when you shut that off. No, look now, look. See, now that light's off. Oh, shit. Oh, I guess it's good now. It just fixed itself. I got it on video, though, so you're gonna fucking see it, because that ball boy's fucking on. Oh, yeah. Alright, all back together. I put the rest of them clips all in the bottom there. And then this actually slides inwards underneath this gap. Put the rest of the things on here. These two, they slide into these little points to put these back on. But yeah, it's all done here. Looks pretty good. So that is all you have to do. Place these headlights.